In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a beginner and super friendly guide to make money with affiliate marketing. So if this is a business model that you're considering and you're not sure how to get started, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a a guide and a strategy, step by step, what you need to do if you really want to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm super passionate about this topic because affiliate marketing gives me the opportunity to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So that's why I'm really positive that if you're committed with yourself, if you're committed with your success, you can definitely make it with affiliate marketing. But at the end of the day, it's going to depend on what you're looking for, to be consistent. That's also super key. So let me share with you the beginner strategy guide to make money online with affiliate marketing. First of all, you have to keep it simple. Okay, I know that there is a lot of strategies out there, and this is the thing, and I'm telling you this by experience. When I got started, one of the reasons why it took me a lot of time to get some success, it's because I was jumping from strategy to strategy to strategy. And the other thing is that nowadays, I know we have what we call the shiny object syndrome. There are so many opportunities, there are so many strategies, there are so many ways to earn money online that right now most people don't fail. Most people just quit because it's really easy to get started. The entry barrier is pretty low, and that's the reason why they're not consistent. Okay, so keep it simple, choose one strategy, stick to it, and as I told you, the results are gonna come. Okay, based on the fact that you're gonna be consistent. So, with that said, the very first thing that you need is that you need to choose or you need to pick a niche. Okay, you need to know your who. Who are you helping? Okay, it's that person. It's most of the time, uh, you know, with social networks. Sometimes we can be on that specifics. It's your product. It's more like for males, more for females. Maybe both of them, but on a specific age, or they need to fill certain criteria. The other thing is that you need to be specific. Sometimes when people are like, my product is the best. Everybody need it. I'm pretty sure that, yeah, a lot of people are going to need it, right? So, but if you don't talk specifically to that person, if you don't know their struggles, if you don't know their concerns, if you don't know what they keep them awake at night, you are not going to connect with them. Most of the time, you are your own, you're your own avatar, you're your own target audience. You're part of your niche. Maybe it was you before the transformation. Okay, you need to be wondering like what questions are they asking. Okay, which are the problems that they have, which are the struggles that they have. Do they have families? Do they, which kind of dreams they have? Okay, which products can help them? Okay, sometimes it can be just one product, sometimes they need more than one product, and that's okay as well. Like, okay, let's say that, for example, let's say that you are going to be helping women who are willing to lose weight. Okay, but the criteria is that they need, okay, they need to be, they're looking to lose weight because they already have kids and they tried diets and for some reason they don't have much time. Okay, so you know what they're trying to achieve, their criteria, like, okay, they need to be part of a program. Okay, they also need to have some kind of coaching. Maybe they need to have a nutritionist or some meal plans. They're going to need to buy dumbbells, some certain equipment, you know. So as you can see, a lot of products can help them. Okay, so take that into consideration. But I'm talking specifically to this woman who's trying to lose weight, and she already tried a lot of things and she don't have a lot of time because she has kids. So that's the person that I'm gonna be talking to. Okay, and because we will need to, you know, drive traffic. We are not gonna be creating traffic. The traffic is already there. Okay. Nowadays, there's a lot of people using TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, watching YouTube videos, using Google, using Bing, using another social network. So the traffic's there. And there are people who are nowadays, even using forums. So we need to drive target traffic to our funnel. Okay. It can be free traffic, it can be paid traffic. All these social networks I told you, they have their free version and they do have their paid version. The other thing is if you're doing paid traffic, you can do retargeting. What do I mean by retargeting? Actually, Amazon is really good at this. If you go to Amazon and you are, looking for certain products, you're going to notice that for some magical reasons, you're going to start seeing that products everywhere. Okay, you're gonna start seeing that product everywhere. This is what it's called retargeting. Okay, you already show certain kind of interest. Now they are gonna be, you know, showing you the same product or related products in other mediums. And it's way more affordable, way more cheaper to do it that way rather than to invest on what we call cold traffic. Okay. The other thing is that you need to know what you like the most. Okay, maybe you would like to go and create a YouTube video like this one. It's a long form content. Maybe you are going to be like, no, I prefer to have a faceless account in which I'm going to be sharing 5 to 7 second videos in this short form content on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reel, YouTube Shorts. Maybe you're a person who loves writing. You're like, hey, no, you know what? I'm going to be blogging. That's my thing. But the key here is that you need to put out valuable content. Okay, you need to put out valuable content, and that's related with what we were talking about. Your the niche. Okay, if you're specific, you know what kind of content they want. And the other thing is that nowadays with AI, you can literally go to ChatGPT, you can go to DeepSeek, and you that describe your avatar. You can let the AI knows what the product that you're going to be promoting, and it can help you have ideas, okay, of how you're going to be driving traffic to your funnel, okay, and you need to build your email list, okay. That's also something important. I know, and this is a mistake that a lot of newbies do when they are get started, is the fact that they are like, you know, my my product or the product that I'm promoting, it's super affordable. Okay. So most people are like, okay, I'm gonna drive traffic directly to the sales page. Okay. But people might not be ready to make the purchase. Okay. It's not that they're not interested, it's just that they are not ready. Okay. What do I mean by being ready? I mean that, sometimes maybe if you're doing paid ads or if you're creating content, they're watching your content, but they're in the public transportation or they're listening to your podcast, but they're driving home. It's not that they're not interested. It's just that they cannot make the purchase right away. Sometimes it's because they don't have the money. Okay. So don't do the hit and miss strategy. Since you're building the list, you're going to have the opportunity to provide more value, create a deep connection. At the end of the day, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. You can also have the opportunity to create this custom audience on Google, on YouTube, and on Meta. Again, you're building your email list, you are providing value, and you're going to have the opportunity to make more sales because right now, chances are that you're going to start promoting one or two products. But in the future, since you have more experience, since you have been testing other products as well, maybe other services, maybe you are going to be creating your own thing, and you have that list, you're going to have the opportunity to add more products in a campaign. You know, you are going to have the opportunity to send broadcast emails, sorry, to promote other kind of products. So take that into consideration, and that's something really important. In my case, right now, I'm using a tool that it's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So I have the opportunity to build my funnel, build my email list, and I have all the tools that I really needed there. Right now, you can create a free account. It's not a free trial, it's a free account. Okay. And you're gonna have everything that you need there. I know how hard it is, when you're getting started, you're super motivated, but you don't have the money to be like investing in really expensive tools. Okay, there are other options, and System.io is definitely the option that I recommend. If you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description so you can have everything super well structured with a step-by-step guide that you can follow, just if you are really really interested. But as I told you, these are the basics. Okay, this is literally just the basics. Once you have your system, your simple funnel, the only thing that you need to do is literally drive traffic. That's the only thing that you need to do. People tend to overcomplicate things. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.